Hello, everybody. This is Lisa with BigLese Eats. How you doing? Okay, so this evening we have crab legs, potatoes, corn, and I made me some fried scallops. Not like fried and battered, but I just put them in olive oil and some butter with a little Old Bay seasoning. And I did put a little bit of garlic in the pan, and then I put them in, and then cook them down till they get that nice little crisp on them. Okay, so we'll say our grace, and we will get into it. Dear Lord, thank you for my food, blessed is to make me nourishing in my body. In Jesus' name, amen. Alrighty, I do want to try my, mmm, and so the butter and the olive oil make kind of like a little butter sauce in the pan, so I took that and poured it over over the scallops once I took them out the pan. You talking about good. Goody gumdrop. I'm so hungry. So how's everybody doing? And I'm drinking Sprite today. Ooh. So let's get into this crab leg. That's good. I only had one left over, so I just threw down, one little cluster. So it was able to get, and there we go. Professional. Pull it right on out. Dip it in that butter. Got my little bag. The only thing I have to get my piece of lemon. So everybody's doing good. I've been watching a lot of good videos. A lot of people are making their, whatever goal that they're setting. A lot of people are making their goals. And it's just so nice to see everybody loving on everybody. You know what I mean? It was just really nice. Everybody supporting everybody. Just enjoying, well, just enjoying seeing, everybody grow. I mean, people from when I first started, you know, like doing it, like really blossoming. So I think it's just really good. Like that everybody can get on here and do their thing. Because there's really enough for everybody enough love that everybody can get some. You know what I mean? Enough love for all of us. I don't like that. But I don't have nothing. I mean, I have been busy lately, so I haven't I haven't been on in a minute. Like I want to do it. Gotta do a live soon. Just because I like doing them, I like interacting with everybody. I remember when I first got on, I was so nervous. But now, I like doing them. Because, nothing like, y'all see that? Oh, excuse me. But it's nothing like getting on, when you do a live and you get all that. A lot of people loving on you. Like, and so it makes the live fun. It makes you comfortable. You know, you interacting with people. I really, really enjoy it. Right? Interacting with everybody. Mm, 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 mm. Y'all just don't know. That, that scallop was wonderful. Should never show. I found out I could cook a good scallop. Mm, 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 mm. I know I should put more butter in this. Mm, mm, mm. My little nose is running. That's how you know it's good. Mm. All right, man. I got to go in on my Jersey comb. So I put my Old Bay on. That Old Bay on it. Like that on it. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Ooh. Mm, mm, mm. So this weekend, what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to mm, set aside time to finish up going over like a lot of other people's videos that I want to look at. Mm, 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 mm. That's how you eat a piece of corn, y'all. Tear that thing up. With these choppers, it don't have a chance. Mm. woo. So yeah, I got some, just a few things going on like during the week now, so I really won't have time as much time as I used to. To be on YouTube before. So, mm-mm-mm. That's some scallops, baby. Hello, mother.
Oh, you still doing it?
Yes. It's so funny. You still recording, Lisa? Cause don't nobody want to move. Mm. Ooh. A little spice get in my throat. Mm-mm-mm. All right, y'all. I'm gonna take this leg down. Keep it moving. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Got that good old meat. I'm so sleepy, y'all. Especially after this. Baby girl about to take it down. Down, down. See? That's all you gotta do. Boop, boop. You take it down. Like this. Get that good old bite. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Nothing like it. Nothing like it. Just gotta have, first of all, as long as you don't overcook them, they usually don't stick. I mean, not like don't stick, but they'll crack better because the shell's not soft. So if the shell is too soft, you're not gonna get that crisp crack. So what makes it pull away from the meat. So you just gotta cook them right. Anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you're kind of overdoing it. Same thing with lobster. If you overcook them, it's a rizzy. And then the seafood, the scallops, I cooked them. I did like 4 minutes on each side, and that's like right at. Some people cook it less than that, but but I do at least 4 minutes each.